Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to add another Instagram account. So let's go ahead and open our Instagram app. Now, if you're not already on your profile, go ahead and hit the bottom right profile icon. And then what we want to do is go to the top right three horizontal lines, and we're going to choose the first option of settings. Now here, what you want to do is actually go to the very bottom and you will see add account and log out of your current account. Now what you want to do here is go ahead and choose the add account. Now you have two options here is you can log into an existing account if you already have another one and it will add that to your current Instagram. But if you want to create a whole new account, you can choose that and go through the process to do that as well. And once you actually add an account, if you go all the way back to your profile, on the top you will see your username and then you'll see a down arrow. Now if you choose that, it's going to show you all of the accounts that you have added, and you can also add an account from here on the bottom there. So if this helped you guys out, don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.